So funny.
That was fun.
I know. It was my place.
Nice, you have a nice
You
place.
like it?
I do. It's great.
You don't have to try anymore. Do you want to see the bedroom?
Sure.
Don't be shy. I have a king-size bed.
I don't want to neglect the other rooms, make them
It's
jealous.
really big.
It's
The king-size bed. It's really big.
I'm just gonna assume this is the bathroom.
You need help with it?
No, I got this covered. I've been here before. Okay, thank you, bye.
Don't be too long.
Oh, pull yourself together. You got this. You're the man. Do not F this up. Oh, you're a big man, huh? You're a big man? Huh? You gonna do this? You're gonna make this happen? Did you wet yourself? You didn't wet yourself. You got this. You know how to have sex, right? You remember how to have sex, right? It's easy. It's just like riding a bicycle, except with your penis. Do not cry. Don't cry. Ah, yeah, that's right. Eye of the tiger. Ride the tiger. Something with the tiger. It's go time. I'm Ned.
Hi, Ned. You pissed yourself.
What am I gonna do?